Hello everybody and welcome to another edition of Drew's Food Reviews. Today I've got another episode of Search for Snacks. I heard this one was coming out, thought I'd give it a try, finally found it. It's by Funyuns and it's a new flavor. It's called Steakhouse Onion Flavored Rings. They've got regular Funyuns and then the Flamin' Hot, and I think they had the queso and I don't know, another flavor, but this one I'm going to try. It says, Steakhouse Onion Lovers, we got you. That tangy, zesty burst of flavor and crunch you'll love is back and tastier than ever. Enjoy the delicious experience of onion blossom and dip flavor in every ring. 140 for 13 pieces. Yeah, I'm going to give it a try. I like Funyuns. Got good onion flavor. This one. Ooh, okay. You can see that. About halfway. All right, give it a try with the Steakhouse onions. Yeah, it looks like nicely coated, smoky, kind of like the bloomin' onion you'd get from a specific restaurant. But here we go. Crunchy. Got that smoky kind of flavor like you would get from a deep fried bloomin' onion. Not really tasting the dip very much. Mostly tasting the batter, kind of fried goodness. Now, I can see where they're going. Does get that fried onion flavor. I'm really just not tasting the dip very much. If you dipped it in French onion dip or sour cream, something like that, it'd be good. I don't know. Nice and crunchy snack, but I'm not really standing out on this one. Good flavor. I don't know. It's not really intense. It's kind of, it's there, but I think they could have a lot more flavor with this one. Kind of like get a little bit of washed out flavor from that batter. And I don't taste the dip at all. It does taste a little bit like a fried onion, but not a whole lot. I don't know, I would get something like this again. It's different. It's just not really intense in the flavor. So wouldn't be my go-to. Kind of like the Flamin' Hot and the regular Funyuns a little bit more. But this one's not too bad. So for the Funyuns Steakhouse Onion Lovers Rings, I'll go 7. 7 out of 11. It's decent. It's okay. Not much else. Some of the other ones I think I like a little more. Like the Flamin' Hot has a little more zip to it, a little more flavor. This one, you can't really taste much. Slight coating, but not like what you would get at a restaurant with the bloomin' onion or deep fried onions, petals, or whatever you want to call it. So if you want to give it a try, check it out. Look for the Steakhouse Bloomin' Onion and give it a try. So there you go, guys. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the notification bell over here. That way you won't miss any future content. Or if I go live, you won't miss the fun. So until next time, on Drew's Food Reviews, I'm going to be trying something new and fun-y for you. I'll put these aside. I'll try them again another time. And we'll see what else I can find. So until next time, guys, I'll talk to you later.